Alright. It's the next morning, well, next day now, and it has started snowing. Just letting my truck warm up for a little bit. Roads aren't too bad yet, but yeah, there's a few things I forgot to grab last night, so I'm gonna run and go do that real quick before the weather gets too bad. But yeah, like I said, it's starting to snow like crazy now, and the worst still has yet to come. Yeah, there's quite a few people out and about still. They're all probably trying to get things done before the worst of it rolls in, which is understandable. Alright, just left the store. It's not too bad here in Grand Junction yet, but I'm already seeing some spots on the road that are already getting covered, so yeah, not too bad yet, but it's definitely gonna keep getting worse from here on out. That's for sure. Doesn't look so bad on camera right now, but yeah, it's picking up. Yep, this part of the road's getting covered up a little bit. That's mainly because there's a field next to us and the wind's pushing the snow from the field, so yeah. Talk about him disrespectfully, saying some shit about him that probably isn't true. I mean, some of it might be true. Like I said, I'm sure there's snow's definitely been picking up now. It's actually looking like something. Yeah, what the heck? Bet that guy was fishtailing. Oh, not the best footage considering it's nighttime now, but holy smokes, the trees look absolutely beautiful right now. They're so snow covered, they almost look like they're frosted over. Dang. Too bad you can't see them too well down the street, because that looks even more beautiful looking down the street with the trees like that. I'll say that right now. Roads are pretty much covered up too. They look pretty slushy, but oh well. Thankfully I ain't got anywhere to go tonight, so yeah. Oh, got some plows out. Well, pickup trucks with plow kits on them anyways. That one guy had a tail light out. Oh, dang it. Well, apparently a lot of the snow is weighing down some of the branches. Definitely weighed down this branch right here. Come on, focus. I mean, it's done that many times before, but it's been a while since I've seen it. That's insane. Alright, I got snowballs landing on me from the tree, so